What's going on, guys? This is Manda with M Traders. I'm just gonna have a quick recap of what I think is gonna happen in natural gas. And natural gas is gonna go down. Thank you. No, I'm just joking. So natural gas, I think, is gonna go down. One of the main reasons is the forecasts that are coming in. They started to have some changes in weather models. Also, I've been reading some late articles as of late today that came out past 3-4 hours, where it states that natural gas is going to go down. How accurate those are, I don't know. I trust more the weather models. Of course, you also got weather models. You got supply and demand. We're still oversupply when it comes to natural gas. Weather models came in bearish, so we're losing total day degrees from the initial run. I still don't think that that loss of total day degrees are still priced in. I think it's gonna keep going down. If you were on my stock tweets or my Twitter or my Discord chat, you guys would have pretty much got in at 2.64. Almost. I got in a little bit too soon, about 2.6, and I bought more puts at 2.64. So when it opened at 2.64, I liked that range to even go shorter. If it kept going up, then I was going to keep averaging down. However, I had a good feeling about it because it did at the open. Let's look at the 5 minute. Woo. Yeah, I know I got too much stuff going on. We see it touch again. You got to reject it. Kind of bounced back up, touched again, and I decided to add more puts. And all of a sudden, it just came crashing down. So that's good. Why did natural gas went up today? Main reason was because of today was natural gas. The EIA report came out. It was bullish, so it pushed it up. So that just gave a lot of people a lot of ammunition to go short or to enter at a better position. I still feel okay, coming in at these levels. I would have added more, but I was fine. With what I have, I think I'll be okay. Now, this is not any type of advice. This is not any type of suggestions on what to trade. This is just my opinion. I think it's going to keep going down. How long is it going to take? Probably by next week we should have significant bear rally, if you want to call it like that. Yep, I do think we're still going to keep going down. There's nothing else. I mean, natural gas, bearish weather models. People are increasing their shorts at these levels today. I saw a lot of traders that actually increased their shorts, and they probably gonna bank. I think. If I'm wrong, well, I'm wrong. But it's the way trade goes. Either it's like the roulette. Either you go red or you go black, or double zero. But just pretend this roulette only has red and black. Either goes up or goes down. That's the only way, right? So I'm betting that it's going to go down. And so far, it's been living up to its name. And I do see a strong resistance again at this 2.584 or 2.585. And that's it. Simple, right? It's going down. Give you my thoughts. Kept it as short as possible, only 4 minutes. I think it's going to go down. And just really quick, what I think is going to happen. S&P futures. I'm not an expert. Just like to track the futures because it's going to tell me how the stuff that I am shorting is going to go. So we have more news. Interim trade, it wants to be done, and then probably tomorrow 30% tariffs are going to be added. We're already all near the all-time highs on the S&P. I don't know. I prefer not to go long at these levels. We saw a reject several times. 1, 2, and we're going to see the third one right now. A lot of people are calling it head and shoulders. I wish I had my little pencil, but I don't. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you like this. Some people are saying this is a head and shoulders. It just formed the last shoulder. Then it's gonna go, right? Am I an expert? No. I'm just sharing what people are telling me, or their thoughts, or the traders that have been doing this for a while. They think that the last shoulder just formed. It can be double bottom, if you want to call it. It can be whatever you want it to be, right? In my case, I want it to be a head and shoulders, right? And I hope it plays out as head and shoulders. And what about gold? Let's talk about gold. What do you think gold's going to happen? Goodness gracious. I'm still bullish gold. It got rejected. It went all the way up to 1532 and got rejected again, which is kind of like a resistance level of that area, I guess. However, I still think it's gonna keep pumping up because the market is consolidating too much. Again, this is just my opinions. Do not trade based on those. CL, I closed my puts today. I got in at 58, closed them at 55. I was very happy with my USO puts. And yep, I closed in at 55. I didn't want to get greedy. I thought it was going to go bounce back up. I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'm fine with it. Again, was just based on my own opinion. Nobody told me to do anything. I just thought it was going to go down based on what I saw and the charts and the news and everything else that was coming up, right? So 58, we saw it was a resistance at that area, so I decided to risk it, right? So that's why I did it. So what am I shorting? I'm shorting BKNG, or not shorting, but I got puts on it. Why? Well, once it reach this level 2064, let's look out. We're at the daily, right? Okay, so it's a 52-week high. It's not an all-time high, but it's a 52-week high. Again, the reason why is this area, which if you look at the 3-year weekly, and you also like Fibonacci's, like all of them have Fibonacci's. Shout out to Brent who gave me this script. It does it automatically for you. So whatever I pick, Fibonacci, done. Right? There you go, Fibonacci. So everything has Fibonacci right away. So anyways, so based on the Fibonacci and in the 3-week or 3-year weekly, it looked like it had touched 23.6% retracement. So I thought it was going to reject. So once it went past it, I went ahead and got in. Well, I added more. I actually got in too soon. I got in about 2050, 2048. And then once it reached the 52-week high at around, what was it? I don't want to look at the daily. Let's look at the hourly. So once it reached this area at open, I decided to add another 2 put contracts. Yes, I'm still holding them. Yes, it has held the support level of 2037, but I think tomorrow is going to be a beautiful day and it's going to come crashing down. Well, at least I hope. But no, according to my SMIs, it seems that it's still holding these levels. 2037, it might want to retest 2067 and then come back down more heavier or more heavy on it. And that's pretty much all I have. Yeah, that's all I'm shorting right now or have contracts on. Anything else will be for tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that if you're not on my Discord chat, I have the link right below on the description. Make sure you click it. I also have any brokers links that if you may be interested, right? Like TradeNet, webull. I still gotta add Tastyworks because that's what I'm using for my options. Tastyworks. It's actually not bad. Pricing is very good. It's $1 to open, 0 to close, and you get like a 14-cent fee per contract, and you get like, I think it's capped out at $10. It's kind of confusing. You can go ahead and read it. It's called Tastyworks. I still gotta add the link, my link below, or probably I already added. I just don't remember. But anyways, you guys have a good weekend, and see you tomorrow. Why is the weekend? Because I'm off tomorrow. So see you Monday.